Welcome back. So glad to see you again. This is your movement medicine channel. Let's going to talk about vibration. Vibration is a fun exercise and a fun move. Just give you the sense that the happiness, probably. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments. How can we do vibration? Please, kind reminder, we are going to do only with our chest, not with your shoulder. So let me show you the difference, the vibration or the shimmy, chest shimmy with your chest and with your shoulder. To know right now that we have two different moves. It's not the same. If I'm doing my vibration or shimmy with my shoulders, it's like this. You see? I'm moving my shoulder forward and back, and forward and back, and more faster. You can see my shoulder going forward and back, fast. And of course, my chest going to move back. Now, try to see the difference only with your chest, not with your shoulder. Subscribe yet? Do it right now. Give your thumbs up and let me know what is the next move do you like to learn, or if you have any question about this video, please let me know. I'm so happy to answer all your questions, or if you want me to do anything special for you, of course. This is your channel, remember, my 40 movement medicine. Your hand over your shoulder and do it just with your chest. Probably it can see smaller than with your shoulder, but this is the idea. Just isolate your chest. So do it with me. Let me know what are you feeling right now. You're feeling you're doing your chest? No, control your shoulder and only move your chest. Now in the second position, basic position, only chest. You see? I hope you see the difference between chest shimmy and shoulder shimmy. Chest shimmy, shoulder shimmy. Chest, only chest, shoulder. Do you feel the difference? Do you feel the concentration of the energy only on your chest? I know sometimes, and when you're started with this kind of isolation, it's a little difficult, but remember, step by step, little by little, you can master. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.